So in this powerful video, we are going to talk about another activity, how your dream can manifest and how your dreams can turn it into the reality. So we are talking about visualization again, and it's really powerful and it is really important that you visualize every single day, because most successful people are doing this activity. So why can't you do it too? So basically, we are going to learn how you can take your journey of law of attraction to another level. My name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel, Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, and many other things. So basically, you have to understand that every successful person, doesn't matter if they are a sportsman, if they are a musician, if they are an artist, they visualize first in the mind and then they have it in the reality. Because when you are not clear about the things which you're having, when you're not clear about the things which you're wanting, when you're not clear about the things which you are currently having and currently want to have, then you are not going to change your game. Because it's really important for you to understand that if you can't create the image out of it, then you fail in law of attraction. Because clear, concise mental picture is important. CCMP is important. Make sure you write this down in the comments so that you can affirm and you can learn more quickly. Because when you write things, you learn at a much faster pace. So basically, clear, concise mental picture is all about that, having a clear picture in your mind, in your head, that you are having this thing, and for that you have to live that life. And basically, there is a technique like mind movie technique which you can apply when you are doing the gratitude practice, or when you're doing meditation or yoga. Then right after that, when you're actually happy, when you're actually at peace, when your mind is calm, then you visualize that particular thing. Oh, I want this thing to happen, and you are living that life, you are living that dream job life, you are having that perfect relationship with yourself and with the family and with your loved ones. You are having the money which you are wanting, how you are using that money, where you're going, where you're traveling, how you're spending, what kind of party you're having, what kind of time you're having with your partner. So all these things, it's really important for you to see, and it will change it into the reality. It is just, you need to understand that you will be persistent in this activity. And what is the best time of visualization? It's right after you wake up in the morning, or else when you are off to bed, when you switch off all your mobiles, all your internet, and then when you are just with yourself, that is the best time for you to visualize. Also, make sure that you are having the clear, concise mental picture. It's really important to have it. If you're not having it, you won't be having it in the real life also. Don't be confused, don't be in the dilemma how it's going to happen, how universe is going to offer you. You don't have to think about these things. You just have to do your task, what I'm telling you, and you will see the magic unfolding into your life. Om Namah Parvati Pate, Har Har Mahadev.